it's Louise here from Crazy Borgies. I hope you're all well and fine on this beautiful October day. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, and this one is from Temu. All the items shown in today's video are items that I purchased out of my own money, and if they are in stock then I will link them in the video description box down below. And as usual, I will let you know the prices that I paid at the end of the video. Yes. So I have a mixed selection here today. This is actually two orders that I've put into one. So this is going to be part one of part two, basically. 3 diamond painting related products and 3 cross stitch related products. So we'll just start off with the cross stitch ones first. Okay, as usual, if I could ask you, if you hadn't done so already, to please consider liking and subscribing and following me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Borgies Diamond Art. So I have seen these beautiful scissors for quite some time now. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is like rainbow coloured metallic sort of shade. It has little flowers engraved in here, and it's got a little protector here, so we'll take that off. Oh yeah, they're very sharp, because I've been looking for some scissors for my stitching, and these just seem too good to pass up. So yes, lovely pair of engraved scissors, and they are really gorgeous there. Okay, so always keep your stopper on the end of them though, guys, because they're very sharp, very sharp. Okay, so that was the first item, so I'm going to put them in my stitching box. So sorry there was no video yesterday, because unfortunately my dad, as I said in my little short that I uploaded, my dad was in hospital and he got discharged, and I had to go collect him and take him home. So yes, and it was a good 30 minutes drive to the hospital. Then I had to wait for all his paperwork, then I had to take him home, get him settled. Yeah, okay. Let's see, I should be able to just squeeze these out. There we go. These are needle minders now. Okay. So needle minders can cost quite a lot. So I saw these. I thought they were kind of cute, but I'm noticing one thing: they do not have, they only have one magnet on the back, so you're going to have to buy some of these button magnets to use them as needle minders. But yes, they're not too expensive, but these are gorgeous. So we've got cute little elephants. There's the first one, there's the second one, there's the third one, and the 5th one. Gorgeous. They're very cute, but as I said, you will have to get another magnet for the back. There we go. Okay, so let me pop these away. I'll get the next item out. Okay, so the next item I purchased was a cross stitch. Yes, another cross stitch, guys. That's the design there. Cute little mushroom. And I actually thought this one came with the hoop as well, like the other ones did, but it doesn't. I should have read it a bit more clearer. Okay, so this one doesn't come with the hoop, which is bizarre because it's got that in there. That's very bizarre. Maybe I'll email them and say I think the hoop's missing out of this one. So I do have quite a few hoops though, to be fair. Right, so there is the design. The stamp is excellent. There we go. Lots of colour blocking, so great for a beginner. But I am pretty sure this one is supposed to have the hoop in. Only has 6 colours as well. Okay, but the stamp, really clear. Yeah, excellent. It's very tough though, this fabric. Very tough, this Ada cloth even. So I would always recommend like just folding it up, beating it up like this and holding it in your hands a few times just to help soften the Ada cloth. It will soften up in time. There. Okay. And I would suggest softening this one up quite a lot, because from what I'm experiencing on my little hedgehog that I'm stitching, because it's so tough, when you're stitching, it can make the floss bobble up and tear and all sorts. So really it does have to be soft, or softer than when you get it out of the packaging, for sure. So this one comes with a little tassel again, but as I said, we do not have the hoop. So, but that's the tassel again with a little flower, a red one, and a little hanger so you can hang it up on your wall. I mean, hoops are fairly what's it called, cheap to buy anyway. You do have that. I'm thinking that you would hang this on the wall and then hang your hoop off it. Okay, that's what I think is happening with that. But I'll have to get in contact with Temu and see if perhaps they could send me another hoop, or at least give me some money off this product. There's our 2 needles. Now they're quite sharp. I always blunt the top of the needle down. My experience, I was stitching last night at my dad's house on the squirrel. I don't really like these needles, to be honest with you. They're very cheap. They feel like they're going to fall apart very easily. And the floss comes out a lot as well. And I'm not sure if that's because the Ada cloth is too hard, or it's something to do with the needle. I don't know. But you get your 2 needles anyway, okay? And we get our floss. Now, it does feel a bit rougher than the normal floss with like Joy Sunday kits. There we go, there's our colour palette. So it's very simple, got pinks, red, green and a little bit of blue. There's our beautiful floss. I mean, it looks really shiny, but there's I can definitely feel a difference between this floss and the floss that comes on from Joy Sunday. There we go. So very simple colours there, and lots of it. Lovely. Okay, next item now is a lovely diamond painting. Yes, of course. And actually, do you like my background here on my table? This was actually from Temu. It was only £2 something, and it's a backdrop for when doing YouTube. So you could get a little backdrop hanger and hang it up if you wanted to. I just wanted it to use as a nice background on my table. So there we go. Yes. So I saw this item and I thought, yes, I have to have it because I love Wizard of Oz ever since I was a little girl. I mean, who doesn't love Wizard of Oz? You'd have to be mad not to love it. The lovely Wizard of Oz with the original Dorothy, who was Liza Minnelli's mother, wasn't she? What was her name again now? You know, it's in my mind, but it won't come out. I can't remember her name. What was her name? Right, 30 by 40, full drill, lots of colour blocking around the outline, the green, and on the faces. I'm not too sure how good the Tin Man, the Scarecrow and the Lion are going to come out. And the Witch. I mean, yeah. We'll have to just maybe trust the process with that one. But there is a good layer of adhesive on this. 21 colours. The writing, you might need to adjust a bit as well to make it come out a little bit more clear. Maybe just put one colour in there instead of having a few. Let me have a look through the camera, see what it looks like, because sometimes, yeah, it looks better through the camera than what it does to the eye, guys. That's all I'm saying. Okay. Yeah. The symbols are all letters, but they're not in alphabetical order, okay? Do you know, I've just realised someone's missing on this, and you know who that is. Toto. Toto's missing. There's no Toto from what I can see, which is a shame. Oh, poor Toto. There we go. Lovely. Oh, hang on. No, Toto is there. I think he's supposed to be... No, that's the Scarecrow's shoulder, isn't it? No. Okay. Never mind, never mind. But we can even see the wizard his face in the background there. But yes, so I saw this one and I thought, oh, I like that one. So it comes with a standard toolkit. Okay, green boat, pink pen and your little bit of wax. And this one, even though it's 30 by 40 like most budget friendly companies, that is the overall canvas size, not the full diamond painting size. Okay, so the painting area size is usually 25 by 35 centimeters. Okay, as I said, we have 21 colours on this one. And if green is your favourite colour, yes, then this is the one for you. Yeah. Okay, so we have sort of like a terracotta colour, a plum colour, a mustardy yellow there, brown, another orange shade. We've got a green, dark green, a brown, another dark green, a grey, blue, another shade of blue, a brown, another green, another blue, a wine red there, a grey, camouflage green, a black and a purple. There we go. Yeah. Oh, hang on. And then another brown. Right, let me pause you and put this one away and I'll get the next item out. Right, next one is this little item. Yes, so it's an off canvas item and it's supposed to be a candle holder. I've seen it quite a few times on Temu. Comes with instructions, which is great because we love instructions, most definitely. This is what it's supposed to look like once completed. And they have different variations of this as well. So, green bow again, and well, standard toolkit with some extra baggies. Every diamond is bagged up, which is brilliant. And it's double-sided, guys. I wasn't expecting this. So we've got a nice A4 sheet of instructions. Tear off. Oh. Small bottom. I think these are supposed to, yeah, these have a sticky side to them, so you've got to peel it and there's some adhesive on here and then stick that towards here on top there, like so, just to give it an extra secure base. Okay, and then yeah, these both go in together. Oh, I see. So this is slightly longer than this side because this is going to hold your candle up the top. No, I'm wrong. this is the side that's going to hold the candle, like so. Hang on. Once you've diamond painted it, of course, then you just yeah. I don't want to push it down because I've obviously not done the adhesive just yet, but it goes in there, like that. Okay, hope you can see it, guys, like so. Okay, and then you put a little tea light in the top. I really like that. I really like that. And I've got another one of these coming actually that I just ordered, and it's got a Christmas theme on it as well. So that's really lovely. I really like that idea. It's not very tall. Hang on, let's see if I could get that. Yeah, it's not very tall. There. Let me get my measuring tape out. It's called a classic retro Nordic style. Okay. It's got some nice engraving here as well. So I'm just going to give you a rough size here with that on as well. So I'd say about 14.5 centimetres by about 11. No, maybe 10.5. Yeah. So yeah, it's only little, but for a little tea light you don't want it too big, do you? So yeah, this is going to be a really fun project. I love this idea. I love diamond painting things that you can use around the house. I just think, you know, like yesterday a friend of mine came over and she came in my living room, and obviously I've got all my little autumn ornaments up, and I've got all my diamond paintings on the wall, and I've got my storage unit all diamond painted as well. And she's like, wow. And I'm like, yeah. I said, basically everything that you see that has diamonds on, I've diamond painted it. And she's like, oh, okay. She probably thought it was a bit nuts, to be fair. But yeah, you know, they're just really lovely. They cheer me up, and you know, that's the main thing, isn't it? Is if you like them, then you know that's the best way to do a hobby, isn't it? Is as long as you enjoy it. But anyway, so not only does we have the instructions, but it comes with clear written words in English. Okay, there we go. So I think that's going to be really lovely and great fun to do as well. The image, as I said, is just a simple flower like that. Okay, and we only have one special, which is a large red teardrop. Oh, hang on, no, we've got an AB coated medium red in there as well. I'm not going to get the diamonds out, guys, because that's it, just two specials, and then the rest are crystal rhinestones. Okay, so yeah, that's our teardrop there. Okay, and then our AB coated orange rhinestone, and then the rest just rhinestones. Yes, nice clear drill field. I just want to take a sniff. Very good adhesive. Yeah, there's no odour there at all, but when sealing this, I would seal everything, the wood included, because I use wood sealant on my diamond paintings anyway, so I would just go to town with it on this. Yeah, I really like that. It wouldn't take long to do at all, because these are actually probably the same sort of size as your coasters that you do as well. So yeah, it wouldn't take long at all to do. Right, let me pop this one away and we get the last diamond painting out. Right, last one is a partial. Okay, this one is a 30 by 30 partial. There we go. Standard toolkit once again, and it's another special shape and crystal rhinestone, and it's got like a gingham background on this one. Two legends, one either side, and symbols are numerical and then alphabetical. Okay, 10, 12, 13 colours on this one, and it's a simple image with a lovely like sunflower wreath actually, with a few love hearts scattered around. Yeah, so there's only adhesive where it needs to be, guys, okay? Hang on a second, I've got my little thing here. You know, I've got a jumper on because I was cold this morning when I woke up, and now it's making me sweat. Because that's what autumn is like over here in the UK. You put something on in the morning and by afternoon you're sweating away. Yeah. There. Okay. So, lovely, bright, cheerful. Maybe like a springtime image, this one. Yeah. And there is quite a bit to diamond paint. So we're diamond painting all the flowers, the butterflies, love hearts. And then the background is just not diamond painted. Okay, just a few little bits scattered here and there. Nice clear drill area. But great fun to do, this one would be. Lovely. Okay. Let's have a look at our diamonds. So we have got 5 specials on this one. And then the rest are crystals. Okay. There we go. AB coated marquee with facets in a golden yellow. Lovely. A clear faceted love heart. A large faceted yellow, golden yellow rhinestone there. Another faceted golden yellow there. Lovely. pink faceted love heart there. Gorgeous. Black. Yeah, orange. Red. Red. Green. Brown. Amber. Then like a really soft sort of like beigey colour in there. Yeah. Okay, just give me 1 second and I'll get the prices for you. Okay, so let's start with this lovely 30 by 30 partial. And this one I paid £2.87, $3.77. Okay. So next one is the Wizard of Oz 30 by 40 full drill. This one was £3.45, $4.53. Okay, and then we've got our little needle minders there, a 4-pack. This was £3.44, $4.51. But remember, you have to get your little button magnets. This, the candle holder, the tea light candle holder, £3.74, $4.91. That would be a good gift as well to give someone. Okay, and then our cross stitch as well. This cross stitch, the mushroom cross stitch, £2.59, $3.40. And then for my lovely engraved antique sort of scissors, they were 88 pence, $1.15. Yeah, lovely. So that's everything, guys. I hope you've enjoyed part 1 of this unboxing. Part 2 will come later on during the week next week. And thank you so much for bearing with me. Hope Dad's at home now. Hopefully he's still in a bit of pain, but fingers crossed. He's had a biopsy took, so we'll get some answers as to what's going on. And I'd rather him be at home than be in hospital, because, you know, there's all sorts of illnesses, isn't there? But anyway, take care. God bless. And I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed remainder of your day and a lovely weekend. Bye for now, guys, and God bless you all. Bye.